All right, I want to show you guys a couple things that may help you when you're inspecting your units to kind of help prevent that kind of damage. Looking at it, when you're inspecting your piece, if there are stairs that are in it like this, and you see a stair that's sewn like this, that's the way that it's supposed to be. This stitching here helps protect it from pulling loose. But for some reason, wear and tear, the stitching has come loose on several of the stairs on this. And when you do that and they start pulling on it, it begins to tear on the side. So when you inspect your units, if it has stairs, the block stairs like this, check and see. See, this is another one here. Check and see that you don't have stitching that has come loose from the top or the sides, because that's what's going to create a problem, and you'll wind up with that.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
New mat underneath, old mat on top. We're going to cut it, use it as a pattern, cut it out. We're going to give it a little extra room on each sides, top and bottom, so that we can fold it over and sew it down. But yeah, it's going to look good. Look at that nice white slide mat. It's going to look good. That other, this is Georgia clay, folks. This is, I want to introduce you to red Georgia clay. This gives everything a nice orange hue, so that no matter how hard you try to clean something, it has this nice sheen to it. All right, here's the repair on the obstacle. You can see there's some scars there, but behind that it's reinforcement strapping. And then we go on to the other side, and there's some discoloration, but all in all, not bad. Liner is good, no more rip, everybody's safe, happy. Let's talk about training and why it's important to your business. We never stop learning things in any business at all. There's aspects about your business and things that support your business that you've got to learn, that you have to know. Things like how to pay your sales tax, and how to do payroll, and how to do scheduling, and how to follow the rules and regulations and the laws of your local jurisdiction, or the health regulations, or OSHA, or a multitude of things. So what we as business owners have to do, especially with small business owners, is sometimes we have to put on a whole lot of hats, and we have to decide, which of these things we can do and which of these things we're going to kind of farm out to professionals. I absolutely recommend that you get an accountant in any small business as soon as you can, and that person can do a lot of your taxes and payroll and things like that, and also get you ready for your end of year taxes. So that's really important that you kind of prioritize those and you farm those out. But other things that you're going to have to learn, it's things like marketing and advertising and the tools inside of those spheres that you're going to have to use. Are you going to market through Google? Are you going to market through Facebook? Are you going to market through Instagram? Are you going to market through TikTok or YouTube? There's tons of different applications out there, and you've got to learn how to use each one and what's the best way. And training, learning how to do that is key. And even if you're not the person that's doing it, if you're in charge, you still need to know how to do it, because you need to know that your employees are doing the right thing, and or you need to be able to train the next person that's coming along. So you have to have at least have a rudimentary understanding of what's going on and how to do it, and the things that make your business run. So training is huge, and being able to train others is huge. And I like to use YouTube a lot for this, because I like to put everything in video, and then I can use that video as a means to train employees, and it keeps things consistent, and it keeps my employees kind of on an even playing field, and it's easy to adjust and to modify if I need to change something, if I need to go back and make things, something comes along and I add a new piece, or I do something that's that comes up, I'm able to change it, make it better, make it work, make it fit, so that everybody across the board, and also it helps you in maintaining a semblance of honesty within your field. If I teach my guys how to install something, and then I show them the video, or you know, I make this a consistent part of the teaching and everyone's taught that way, then when my guys are in the field, they're going to make sure that, you know, we're using the same tactics and techniques within each other. And also, you know, I can tell my guys, hey, this isn't how you were taught. When I, for instance, if I install a bounce house and I teach them, you know, how to put in certain stakes or how many stakes or whatever, and they don't do that, I can go back and say, look, I've showed you, this is how it's done, this is in the video, or this is how, you know, you're taught to do it. So training is huge all the way across, and it needs to be consistent, and it needs to be continuous. You need to always be training. You need to always be refreshing. You need to always be going back and making sure that what you're teaching and what they're doing is the same thing, and what you got planned is the same thing, and that you're up to date yourself, and that you're doing things the way that, again, your industry is requiring, your insurance is requiring, your local you know, agency is requiring, whether it be, you know, governmental agency or you know, some kind of safety and regulation agency, or organizational within a church or a school or whatever. So yeah, training is huge, and that adds a T to our letter to make sure that you know, we're doing these things so that our business can grow and thrive. Keep up with your training, and keep at it.